I would like to show my respect to my lecturer, Thai Bonthong. This is the definition of present continuous. The present continuous we use to describe an action that is happening at the moment. The present continuous យើងប្រើសម្រាប់ពិពណ៌នាពីសកម្មភាពអ្វីមួយដែលកំពុងនឹងកើតឡើងក្នុងពេលបច្ចុប្បន្នសម្រាប់ form របស់វាគឺមាន positive sentence. The positive sentence subject plus to be plus verb 1 ing plus object. Example: I am cleaning my room. The cleaning is the verb that show about the present continuous. And the negative subject plus to be plus not plus verb 1 ing plus object. The example: you are not eating right. Eating is the verb that show about the present continuous. And for question, am is are to be plus subject plus verb 1 ing plus object. Example: are she playing basketball? Playing is a verb that show about the present continuous. Present continuous have many ways to use. When the verb add in e, we take e off and add ing. វាមានន័យថានៅពេលដែលកិរិយាសព្ទរបស់យើងនោះបញ្ចប់ដោយ e នោះយើងដក e ចេញហើយបានយើងថែម ing ពីក្រោយ For example: move to moving. Move គឺបញ្ចប់ដោយអក្សរ e ដូច្នេះយើងត្រូវដក e ចេញហើយយើងដាក់ ing. Face to facing, come to coming. Conclusion: For this grammar, it can help you more understand about the English language. សម្រាប់ grammar មួយនេះគឺអាចជួយឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាច